Hi everyone, welcome to 52 Weeks of Colorspiration. This is a collaboration between left-handed crafter and I. This was her brainchild. Thank you, Brandy, for inviting me. This is so fun. I am using this book this week, which is one of the two that Brandy picked out. Usually I have stuff marked. Anyway, I did a very easy color this week, and it is hearts because I'm in the hearts mode. And I used Ohuhu alcohol markers. I can't tell you which colors because I used a lot of pinks and a lot of purples. And at the end, I just brought in this 1.0 jelly roll. I have one in 3 different sizes. And I tried to put the little white lines on the circles and a couple little lines on the hearts, but I stopped because I'm not good at it. I can't draw straight lines and I can't even draw curved lines exactly right. So anyway, it's okay. I'm happy with it. And I did not do the background intentionally because I'm running behind, of course. So that's my page for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I have hearts on the brain right now. Um, if you watch my embellishments on the 11th, you'll know that I did heart embellishments for that. So I'm getting ready for February. But I need to switch also. I don't know. Next week, I might be doing something wintry, and I don't know if it's going to be a coloring page or stamped images or both. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, stay tuned for that. All right, talk to you soon. Be sure to go check out Left-Handed Crafter and click on the hashtag because there are some people, at least one, Pollie's Pretties I know played along last week. And if she's well, because she wasn't feeling well, she might be doing it again this week. I don't know. And there may be others. So click on the hashtag and see, throughout the day or tomorrow because not everybody might have it up at 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Hugs, love, and peace. Have a wonderful Sunday and a wonderful week ahead. Take care. Bye for now.